Hello everyone, I am Rituja Rajans along with my group members have made a project named Pneumonia Detection using patients assessment and providing treatment and other facilities. So this is the landing page of our website. This is the services section provided our website, like we provide a well-care ambulance service, specialized doctors, and provide a personalized care service and also contribute towards the healthy society. This is the About Us section. We are also connected with some of the NGOs such as Deepalaya, Akshaya Patra Foundation, HelpAge India. One can get an information about this and also can donate over here. This is the contact section of our website. So our website basically contains two login. One login is for the doctor and the another one is for the patient. This one is the doctor login. If the doctor hasn't registered, he have to first register by giving his details and then he can sign up. So if the patient is not registered, he have to register by giving his details like his name, his ID proof, and click on sign up. As we can see that he has successfully registered. So as we can see that Yash has been successfully logged in over here. So as he has registered as a patient, so he will be redirected towards the patient corner where he can see a video about pneumonia and can take his assessment. He can also give his details towards the doctor and can submit. As we can see that he has successfully submitted, so he can click on next. He can hereby give the answer of these questions which are designed and if he has consulted to a doctor before, then he can upload his chest x-ray and CBC report over here, like, and click on submit. Yeah, as we can see that he has successfully submitted. So he can also view his result prior here and move towards the next option. So here he has to select the doctors of his choice and he can also get the information about the timing of the doctors. Here he would be provided with the map which would give him the nearest location about of the medicals towards his vicinity. So for taking an appointment of the doctor, he have to give his details like date of the appointment, preferred time slot, which he has to check with the timings of the clinic or hospital as shown, and he have to click on the book appointment. Yeah. So he has successfully booked the appointment. Now we will move towards the doctor's corner. So in the doctor's corner, as we can see that uh, the one who has filled his details is being depicted over here with his designation and education details too. His achievements. He can also view his patients. Like these are the patients of the doctors. He can also view that patient's assessment, and based on that he could advise the patient to consult him for further treatment. He can also have a look upon his appointment and he has the option of granting them towards or not granting them for a particular patient. So if he wants to grant, so he can click on it and he would be redirected towards this section. So here you have to give the name of the patient, and can send his message. So as we can see that we have successfully sent the message. Also these registration details are being recorded in the database too. Thank you.